Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a list view with swipe to delete item functionality in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The AppBar attribute is set to the AppBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this AppBar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a listView.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have a dismissible widget. The dismiss threshold is set to 0.5. So a user has to drag the list element in the middle of the screen in order to delete it successfully. The direction of swipe to dismiss is set as the end to start. That means from right to left. The background attribute is set to a container widget with white color. In the secondary background attribute, we design that user interface which will be visible behind a list item, when that item is swiped and dismissed. Here we have a container widget with red color background and a trash delete icon. So whenever a user swipes a list item, he will see a red background with a trash delete icon, which indicates that this item is about to be deleted from the list. The key attribute is very important, as we are going to delete and undo delete items from a list, so this key attribute handles their position inside the list. In the confirm dismiss attribute, we call a show undo snack bar function. This is the show undo snack bar function. When a user swipes and deletes an item, we show a snack bar on the screen, with an undo button. If the user presses the undo button, that deleted item will be added to the list again. If the snack bar goes away after a few seconds and if the user had not clicked the undo button, then that item will be permanently deleted. In the onDismissed attribute, we remove the dismissed item from our list. In the child attribute, we actually design how a single item of the list view would look like. Here we use a card widget. Inside the card, we have a text widget, whose value comes from our list of ABCD alphabets. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a list view with swipe to delete item functionality in Flutter Android. Thank you.